then. So, hindi siya drying sa lips. Yan. Okay. So, hey guys, I'm here in Daiso store. So, that's Daiso. So, I'm just checking around what's in here. Wow. Cups, ribbons. Lots of ribbons down there. How much are they? No price. This one is nice. It's a bag. Give proper bag, bags. This is a big store, guys. This is cute. Body mittens. That one. Kitchenwares. I'm looking for beauty stuff. Pumunta lang ako dito para maki-puso or maki-check out lang. First time ko sa Daiso, so yeah. Oh, look at all this. This is good for makeup. Eyeshadow brush. Magkano ito? Oh, $2. What? $2 lang? $2.80. Mag-tour muna ako bago ako manguha. Then, ipakita ko na lang later. Chinelas. I'm looking for chinelas. Para sa hotel. Oh, this one's nice. How much are you? $2.80. So, this one is really cute. Probably here. So, yeah. So, that's the lip tint BLK. Yeah. I like it. It's nice. So, pinabili ko na lang pala yung 4 shades ng BLK. Sayang niya. I'm gonna grab a trolley, guys. Then, yeah, I'll see you later. Alright, guys. We're heading to Mecca store now and find something to buy. I hope I can find my blush on there that I'm still looking or hunting. So yeah, we'll see you guys later and bye. So that's the display there. There's a fancy car, Lexus car, and guys, and that's David Jones there. I'm going there later. But now I'm going to Mecca Maxima. So I'm going to buy a blush on if I can find it there. And my Mario Badisco spray toner. So that's that. So I don't know if I can film inside. So probably not. So yeah.
I can help you find?
Yeah, I'm looking for blush on. And
for blush?
Do you have the Mario Badisco?
Yeah, down this way.
It's okay, I'm filming inside.
Pardon?
It's okay that I'm filming inside?
Yeah.
Ah, good.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah, I'm a vlogger.
Oh, nice. Which brand are you looking for? Sorry, which product?
The Mario Badisco. It's like a toner or setting spray. I don't know.
Oh, this one here. So you've got your green tea and cucumber, your rose water, and then they've just released a new one, which is your lavender.
Okay, so they're like setting spray?
Yeah, so a lot of people use it before to hydrate the skin.
Yeah.
And you can use it over the top of makeup as well.
Sure, yeah. So which one is nice in there?
Well, I think it just depends on a personal preference in regards to the scent.
Yeah.
So if you like more of like a refreshing green tea.
So are they like, because I have sensitive skin, and are they like
soothing?
No, I mean, are they not like gonna make my face itchy or
hard to say. I would suggest to do a bit of a test patch first, just because
okay.
it depends on people's sensitivities.
Alright, and you have the toner as well, right? So, hello guys. I'm done shopping in Mecca and handbag for my husband's wallet. So now I'm heading to Sephora and I'm just gonna show you this display right here. What? That's really cool. So yeah. It's cool, hi. I'm heading to Sephora over there. So in Mecca guys, I bought MAC, Fix Plus, and the Mario Badescu setting spray, but they don't have the benefit there. So I will try Sephora what they have. And yes, in Mecca Maxima guys, I'm not allowed to film inside. I have a footage, but the manager there said that I'm not allowed to post it. But I did a shoot outside though. That's the only thing that they will allow me to post it somewhere in social media like YouTube. So now I'm here in Sephora. I love Sephora. So I don't know if I can film inside, but at the moment I'll end up here. See you guys later. Bye. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
All through the town.
The town. Sweetie, I want fire. Why ba?
Why do you want fire?
So we're in the bus station guys, waiting for our bus. So yeah, our bus. And that's the mall that I went to. The Meyer Westfield. So yeah, and this guy right here is tired now. He's waiting all day for my shopping. So yeah. So guys, that's our dinner. So that's my husband's food, and this is mine. It's a healthy one. Chicken Caesar salad, and look at this view guys. Oh, this is an old church like that. And look at that. You can see this one, no? It's like a church there. So that's where we had our dinner, and then we're heading to our hotel just in this street all the way to the end. So yeah. So I'm here in the crossing lane. So yes, waiting for the light to turn to green. It's red. Oh no. So that's the green light. People crossing on the red light, seriously. Oh. So here in Queensland, guys, here in Queensland, Brisbane is the main city of Queensland, but we have lots of like town or provinces, something like that. So yes, from here to our house it's like 1 hour plane plus 20 minutes from the airport to our house. So yeah, and there my husband is sitting down.